Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if this is your first time stopping by. Today's video is going to be part 3 and the final episode of the Farmhouse Deep Clean series. If you've not seen the first 2 videos, please go back and watch those before you watch this one. It kind of gives you an idea and a reason why I'm cleaning in a different home today. But I'm so excited that you guys have enjoyed these videos. I've really enjoyed doing this and editing these and getting them out for you guys to see, and it was a nice change to go ahead and give you guys some fresh content to watch as well. So what I did was go ahead and start in this last bathroom. This bathroom was not that dirty, but I wanted to go ahead and scrub down anything and everything that I could. It also had a jetted bathtub, so I just put a little bit of bleach in there and some hot water, filled it up about halfway, and I turned those jets on just long enough so I could get the rest of the bathroom cleaned up. And like I said in the other video, this house has well water, so there's a lot of rust in it, and this bathtub is a very light color, so I knew that I was not going to be able to get all of those stains out, but I got it really clean, a lot cleaner than it was. And after this bathroom, I went ahead and moved on into the kitchen, which is probably my most favorite part to show you guys. This is really satisfying. If you wanted to see some good before and afters, I saved them for this video, so make sure you stay tuned and see how that refrigerator looked.
What all my friends said still echoes in my head. We would make the cutest couple. I didn't know you were playing, and I'm just saying, you gotta weigh in. This is not something to die for. You turn your back on me, so I turn my back on you, and now we're stuck in this charade. I don't know what to do. Oh, you like the wire, you pay the price. Oh, you wiped some tears by the look in your eyes. I knew you were trouble right out of the gate, and now you're standing here but 2 minutes too late. You played it cool, play me for a fool, so cruel. It sure was time for a wake up. And now that I'm over it, someone's gotta pay for it. You should know I still remember every word you said. Oh, you walked the wire, you paid the price. Oh, you wept some tears by the look in your eyes. I knew you were trouble right out of the gate, and now you're standing here but 2 minutes too late.
Now I'm going to go ahead and move into the kitchen. I had brought my stepladder, that way I could reach all of the high spaces that I couldn't reach the day before, and I went ahead and started to just sweep up anything that I could get off the top of the refrigerator, and then I used that degreaser and sprayed it all down, got the bulk of the mess up, and then I went right back over top of it with that multi-purpose cleaner and bleach, and it really cleaned it up nice. Then I decided to go ahead and get inside the refrigerator, and y'all, wow, I have no words. I really don't need to explain it. You guys just hang tight and watch, and let me know in the comments if you think, before I get finished, if you think this refrigerator is going to look any better by the time I get done.
I got no money, like it or not, I'm funny. Still in searching of my destination. I like to party, living my way is arty. All I offer is my reputation. Hey, let's walk this way. This party will rock every minute stolen. If you wanna be my midnight mover, you blow my mind, and it would be kind of a groovy story. If you wanna be my midnight mover.
Okay, guys, so what do you think? How do you think this refrigerator is going to look? Now, I'm telling you, this refrigerator was very old, and everything that you saw back there that I was wiping out with the toothbrush was dog hair, and it was bad. But I scrubbed this thing as much as I could, and believe me, it looked almost brand new by the time I got done. The very last shelf that was sitting down there, I didn't take out those little racks because the middle piece was broken, and I didn't want to make it any worse than what it already was, so I just left it there and cleaned around it. But if you guys are enjoying this video, let me know by giving this one a thumbs up. And if this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you so much for coming and watching today's video. My name is Mandy, and I'm so glad that you are here. If you enjoy deep cleaning and anything homemaking or decor related, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you go. I would love to have you become a part of my YouTube family. So basically, my best friends throughout this whole process were bleach, that degreaser that I used, the multi-purpose cleaner that I showed you in the first video, my toothbrushes, and my microfiber cloths. That basically got me through this whole situation, on top of quite a few Red Bulls. But I wanted to go ahead and save the satisfying pieces for you guys for the last video because I know you would enjoy it. So this refrigerator did give me a run for my money. I spent a lot of time on it, and I think it turned out really good.
Stepped into my life, such a magic feeling when you tore down my walls. I wish I could go back to right before you told me I'd try to change it all. But look at us now, could have gone so far. It hurts to realize we're parted. Yeah, look at us now, this is who we are. And I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again. Strangers again. We're like strangers again. I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again. Again, I thought we'd never fall. Could have tried much harder. Now all we have are scars. You said we'd get so high, higher up than heaven. You said we'd reach the stars. But look at us now, could have gone so far. It hurts to realize we're parted. Yeah, look at us now, this is who we are. And I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again. Strangers again. We're like strangers again. I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again. Better get started. It's time to get my head up again. You said that you had to. I'll try to forget you. Just didn't think we'd end up this way, like strangers again. Strangers again. Like strangers again. Strangers again. Like strangers again.
after I finished in the bathroom, I went ahead and moved on to the kitchen floor. I wanted this to be the last thing that I did before I was finished with the house. And I also just wanted to show you exactly how dirty this floor was, because when I start cleaning this, it is so super satisfying. All I did was took some of that degreaser and sprayed it all over the floor and let it set for about 10 minutes. Then I took my mop with some Dawn dish soap and a splash of bleach and some hot water, and I scrubbed over the entire surface area. And then after it dried, I took a clean mop and went back over it with just really hot water to get up any leftover dirt and residue.
I thought that we had something special. I thought I handled this so well. I know we had the right intentions, but somehow it came to an end. I was looking for a remedy. Now I don't know who's in front of me. I was looking for a remedy. Now I don't know who's in front of me. Yeah. Push it back, hold you close, start a fight, there you go. I get unstable, in my bed all alone. Never know when you're home. I get unstable, I get unstable. Remember the first time I met you, the way that it had made me feel. But later something changed between us, and now I don't know where we meet. I was looking for a remedy. Now I don't know who's in front of me. I was looking for a remedy. Now I don't know who's in front of me. Yeah. Push it back, hold you close, start a fight, there you go. I get unstable, in my bed all alone. Never know when you're home. I get unstable, I get unstable. I get unstable, I get unstable. I push you back, I hold you close. Push you back, hold you close, start a fight, there you go. I get unstable, in my bed all alone. Never know when you're home. I get unstable, unstable. Push you back, hold you close, start a fight, there you go. I get unstable, in my bed all alone. Never know when you're home. I get unstable, unstable. I get unstable. I get unstable. Push you back, hold you close, start a fight, there you go. I get unstable, unstable.
So after I got all of the floors cleaned, I went ahead and wiped down the bar area and cleaned the sink one more time, because I had been dumping out all of those buckets of dirty water. But I want to know, what was your favorite satisfying cleaning part of this video? Let me know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to follow me over on Instagram and click that subscribe button before you leave. That way you can be a part of my YouTube family. It would mean so much to me. And as always, I appreciate you and I love you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
If only I had listened for a